Welcome to the new online class. Dear student, I have taken many class, but I want to take another new class from class 8 of English second paper. So, dear student of class 8, be ready. Of course, you are ready with some necessary books. Dear student, I want to discuss in front of you as a new point from your English first paper, that means textbook. Have you got the point? Yes. So you have carried your textbook beside you. That means this book. Okay. Dear student, firstly I want to ask you a question. What are the famous person of Bangladesh? There are many famous person, but according to your textbook, of course, there are many person here. So, as like Bangladesh Fazlul Haq and Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and Begum Rokeya and Partopati Majumdar, Kartik Pramanik, etc. Okay, so today listen. Have you got the point? Of course, I want to discuss in front of you about Kartik Pramanik. So, dear student, you will open the page number 50. 50. Okay. What is the topics? Yes, a man who loves tree. Okay, write down the keyword. A man who loves tree. Yes, I have written already that book. So, dear student, firstly you have to read the text carefully. Okay, and find out the difficult word. There are many words here which you don't know meaning of the word. So, firstly, you have to find out the difficult word. Of course, I will help you to know the meaning of this word. Okay. So, firstly, of course, profession. You can write with me. Profession. Profession. Do you know the meaning? Of course you know, but I can tell you for your better understanding. Occupation. And the synonym of this word, occupation. Occupation. Okay, dear student, and another, of course, you have found the word hairdresser. Hairdresser. That means napi. Hairdresser. No, of course you know the synonym. It is the famous word. বাট মানে কিন্তু হট মানে কি বারবার বলে দিচ্ছি নাপিতের ইংরেজি কি, এটা তোমরা সবাই সবসময় বলে থাকো। সুতরাং এটার মিনিং তোমরা জানো যে বারবারও নাপিতকে ইংলিশে বারবার বলা হয়। সো দিস ইজ দ্য মিনিং অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য টেক্সট। অ্যান্ড নেক্সট, gigantic. You know, gigantic. Gigantic, বিশাল. Very big. Very big or huge. Sometimes you can use huge. So, big and passion. Another word, passion. passion, আবেগ, abeg. Okay, so and in English you can use strong feeling. This is the word, and there are many words, but you will try to understand uh, personally and at your home. So, and next one is scorching. Scorching. Tigro. In English, we can use baking. So, dear student, there are these are the keyword in your textbook. So, you have to write down the keyword in your khata, and when you study of the text for the preparation of your examination, you will use this word and this synonym for the question number 1. There are 5 questions here. So this question will be very helpful in your final examination. Okay. So next one. Next one, question number 2. You will face another question. Okay. Ask and answering question. Dear students, ask and answering question for the ask and answer question. So, first one, who is Kartik Paramani? Of course, it is easy question. You have read already in this text, and you have known many things about Kartik Paramani. So this question for you very easy. Am I right? Of course. So Kartik Pramanik, according to it, Kartik Pramanik is a hairdresser, and he works hard very morning to afternoon, and he very passionate to plant trees. According to a text. Okay, so he is a hairdresser. Okay, and next question number B. From when did he start planting trees? Dear student, do you know the meaning of this question? Of course you know, but I tell you to understand. From when did he start planting trees? কখন হইতে তিনি চারা রোপণ আরম্ভ করেছিলেন? Of course you have read the text. According to text, what the answer? The answer, he started. Yes student, I will mention you another point. When you start the answer of the question, of course you will follow the tense of the question. Understand? Of course you know, when you start the answer of the question, you will follow the tense of the question. Okay, then you will start. So here the tense is past tense, in past form. So you will give the answer to the examiner in past form. Of course, otherwise it is very wrong. So that means he started planting trees when he was 10 years old. Of course, this answer according to a text. যখন সে 10 বছর ছিল, 10 বছর থেকে সে চারা রোপণ আরম্ভ করেছিল। Okay, dear student, and another question here. Why did he not get? Why did he not get time in the day? First of all, why did he not get time in a day? অর্থাৎ তিনি দিনে কেন সময় পেতেন না? Of course, you know, he is a hairdresser, that means barber. So he earned a lot of money, a simple money, to operate the family and busy their time in a day. So it is quite impossible to plant tree or some clean the tree in a day. Okay, তোমরা জানো যে সে একজন ছিল কি হেয়ার ড্রেসার। সো দিনে ব্যস্ত থাকতো, সে উপার্জন করতো, সেই উপার্জন দিয়ে তার পরিবারে ভরণ পোষণ করতো। সো তিনি দিনে ব্যস্ত থাকায় রাতে, সকালে এবং বিকালে তার সঙ্গী সাথীদেরকে নিয়ে গাছ রোপণ করতেন। And next one, last one, how do you understand that he is a nature lover? Dear student, first of all, the meaning, কিভাবে তুমি বুঝতে পারলে যে তিনি হচ্ছেন একজন প্রকৃতি প্রেমিক? ওকে, অফ কোর্স ইউ নো, তিনি একজন বারবার হেয়ার ড্রেসার হওয়া সত্ত্বেও সে যেখানে বৃহত্তর তারাপুরে কোনো গাছ ছিল না, অতি তাপে মানুষ অত্যন্ত কষ্ট করত, পথিকেরা কষ্ট দুর্ভোগ হতো, তখন এই সমস্ত দিকগুলো দেখে তার মনে পীড়া দেয়। তখন তার মনে কি করে, ভাবাবেগ সৃষ্টি হয়। তখন নিজ উদ্যোগে সে রাস্তার ধারে গাছ লাগাতে আরম্ভ করে। তিনি গাছ যে অকৃত্রিম মানুষের বন্ধু, গাছ লাগিয়ে আজকে চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জ জেলার শিবগঞ্জ উপজেলার অন্তর্গত তারাপুর গ্রাম এই যে শস্য শ্যামল আর সবুজের সমারোহ, তার অবদান। সো উই ক্যান কল হিম অ্যাজ এ নেচার লাভার। Okay, dear student, of course, you have to write down the answer of the question according to a text. Okay, so this is the question. There are 4 questions here for 8 marks in your JC examination. So these are the questions. And dear student, last one, you have to face another question, the fill in the gap actually. Okay, fill in the gap. That means I will simple, তোমাদের বোঝানোর জন্য আমি 2 থেকে 3টি বাক্য আমি লিখব। সেটা তোমরা কি করবে, সে অনুযায়ী তোমরা বাসায় প্র্যাকটিস করবে। Once there were any trees in Tarapur village. Kartik to go to different houses for his job. Okay, so once there were dash any trees. So this is the text for your question. এখানে তোমাকে 5টা শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করতে হবে টেক্সট থেকে। সো দা এভাবে কোশ্চেন তোমাকে আনসার করতে হবে। অ্যানসার question A, hardly. Of course you will follow the first line of second para, then you will find out the words answer. Hardly. And B, used to, use. Okay, এভাবে তোমাকে একটা টেক্সটে কি করতে হবে, শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করে দেখাতে হবে। এটা এখানে থাকবে তোমার জন্য। you will 5 marks for your JC examination. So dear student, I have discussed already about Kartik Pramani. Okay, so you will stay at home and safely and practice again of the text, and you will be very easy for the answering question in your examination. So আজকে এই পর্যন্ত, সবাই ভালো থাকো। Thank you very much. Thank you all.